So it's on preset 2 right now, and I'm gonna move it one click and it stays on preset 2. It doesn't go to preset 3, it just goes straight to 4, 4, 5. I just hit it 2 times and it's still on 5. One more time I hit it, 5. It should go to 6, now it's on 4. One click, 2. I keep going right and now it went back to 2. 4, 1. It just moves erratically. Hit it 2 clicks and it's still on 5. Doesn't go to preset 3 at all. There is no preset 3. Doesn't go to preset 4, it goes straight to 1. Should go to preset 4 now. 4. So it just behaves unpredictably. Should go to 4. So you went from 2 to 4 instead of going to 1. It goes to 1, 2, 4, 5. Instead of going to 4, it goes to 1. 2, 5, 1. So sometimes it goes from 5 to 4 when I turn it left, sometimes it goes to 5 to 1.